been a while.
It's been a little while. Been a couple of months.
Yeah, we've been busy. We've been in houses, we've been in hotels, we've been on the boat, we've been off the boat.
We've been sweating on the boat.
We've been freezing on the boat.
So it's been a win and a lose.
Yeah, we've been very supported by everyone around us.
People are good.
Yeah, it amazes you what people will do. Bear's been well looked after as well, which has been fantastic. But basically you saw the shorts we had a lot of problems with the AC. We were reaching 40 degrees on the boat every day and it was unlivable for us. It was dangerous. So we ended up staying off the boat to get the work done that we needed to get done. We added an extra unit into the living room. We took the underneath me. We took the original unit in the living room and put it in the 2 aft bedrooms. What a job.
It was not pleasant.
It was long, it took a while. The boat was ripped inside out. Floorboards were all out. It was messy.
But you've seen all that in the other videos, right?
Yeah. But the key thing is, we go to bed now and we're cold. We had to buy the kids duvets, no longer blankets. So that's really nice. It's rewarding when you go through all that, but then you have that comfort of a home again when you move back on the boat. Our pictures no longer melt off the walls. It's a nice space again where we're all cold.
Cooked pasta straight for the tap. It was, one of those tanks were getting that hot.
Bear's back living on the boat because it's safe enough to him to be on it during the day. And we're out sailing again.
A little bit. It's a bit hot for overnighters.
I'm getting there. We had, for the really hot months, we had a window unit. You'll see it a bit in this video here, but the fantastic purchase from Amazon. We just stuck it right on the window up there. We plugged it into our shore power and it was just like this massive...
Like what you get on the side of an apartment building.
Yeah, but
putting them in there.
The power that came out of it
jet
was
turbine
like
of cold air.
So if you just wanted to be freezing cold, you could stand underneath it. So that was just the extra push that the other ACs needed.
Can't sail with that on though, it's too big and Cassie passed it. So it's gone. It's gone now and we're still 28 in here with the 2 units now, so it's fine. But
it's October, so it's not the Dubai summer. We're kind of getting into the nicer weather. We've been out a couple weekends now and we're going to show you how intense a sail it was going to Ajman and how wonderful a sail back it was. We got necessarily work done on the boat. We were in desperate need of getting it lifted out and getting the anti-fouling redone. The condition of it was frightening.
It was well overdue.
Yeah, it was like the heat of the water here is so intense that it just doesn't get a chance.
In a hot tub.
So we got that lifted and then we also got some 3 holes done.
We got one done because it was quite expensive and only one was faulty. So we just did the one for the water intake for the engine. So that needed done because we couldn't change the impeller because we couldn't shut the water off. So we'll get that done as well now.
And then we also got the bearing changed on the...
Cutlass had to be changed when it was out as well. That was rattling about. And
it's good.
We should have changed the seal. The seal doesn't leak, but just because it was out, it would have made sense to do it. But it was like a 10-day delivery and we couldn't wait that long.
No, because we were going through 3 different hotels.
And we were burning through hotels, yeah.
And we were going to work and steal from hotels and like it's really hard not having all your stuff, like especially for the kids. Like, you were
living in a suitcase.
And we weren't in the same Emirates or boat. We were in a different Emirates, so it was quite a drive to go and get the stuff that you needed. So yeah, it was suitcase life for 2 weeks. And we were hoping it was only going to take 1 week, but things never run on time.
Shit happens, as they say.
So yeah, it was a little bit longer, but you know what? We enjoyed the treat of hotel life. We were well looked after, so it was really nice. But we are happy to be back aboard. We had the long sail back last weekend and then we were rewarded with 2 days out at the World Islands with the most amazing temperature of water. It was so good. It's at that point now where you go in the water and it's not like a bathtub, so you have like that kind of relief. So that was really nice. Plenty swimming, silliness, Tail's birthday, another year older. And now we're back living on the boat full time. So
great.
We'll catch you up. We hope you enjoy.
So this is the unit that we just got installed. It kept freezing, so we've cut in another vent here, even though they told us there'd be enough airflow from the old vent, which there just isn't. So, problem solved with a wee multi-tool. One cut in, I've actually fucked it. That was the old line. Started at the wrong one. The frame will hide it, but still. Right, I'll turn this off till I'm done, in case I make more mistakes.
So if you look over Kyle's shoulder, you'll see this is the external AC unit that we were talking about previously. So this isn't a long-term plan, but it got us through the summer. It didn't come obviously with the right kind of plugs, so Kyle did a swap out, and yeah, it connected to shore power, and it was fantastic. It really did keep everyone nice and cool, and it was a good short-term solution. It's 5 AM and we're starting our 7-hour journey to
7 hours.
Ashman.
I left out.
So dark.
We're leaving in the dark. Never done before either.
Something wonderful about how calm it is and peaceful, and the kids are still asleep. Bye bye, Marina. See you in about 8 days. Coming up, and we have these massive swells. I feel like the camera just doesn't do it justice. See if I can kind of capture it. So here comes a big one. And back down we go. Like this the whole way. I can see us all getting a little bit sick. It is beautiful though, just rough. Sun starting to come out, let's see. There it is, peeking over there. Good morning, sun. Come charge our solar. So we're getting close to we're getting near the Coast Guard now. Kids are feeling a little bit sick, so sitting at the back just in case. Kyle's just checking all the formalities for going into the Coast Guard. And we are just ready to be there now. Uh-oh, you need to keep going, try and beat them. Oh.
I didn't even try.
Guys, you made it. It's a very, very rough sail. Who wants to do the vomit count?
So, I will vomit twice and I will vomit 3 times. So,
And Mummy twice.
Mommy twice.
How many vomits did we have on our sail?
We had 6, 7.
7 vomits. Gross.
So,
You fed the fish. When you've gone past all the hard parts and we made it. We're sleeping outside on the boat.